our brothers and sisters in Japan, good afternoon everyone. We are the members of the Lacagón Irrigators Association, a long-time beneficiary of JICA project, and we are here to inform you that we are rather very sorry for what happened to our dear brothers and sisters in Japan. And in return, please accept the little help that we will be giving you in terms of the monetary consideration, if only to show how we sympathize with your situation. Rest assured that we will always include you in our prayers, that perhaps, and we will be thankful to God if nothing of that sort will ever happen in Japan again. Thank you very much, and may you be in a position to rehabilitate the accident that happened in your country. Again, good afternoon.